welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you're returning. So we're just gonna jump right into this thing. I am reviewing the Hot Head Thermal Hair Care thing today. So I purchased one, and the one I got is the Graffiti Extra Large Hot Head. If you guys are a follower, then you know that in one of my other videos, someone commented down below, I don't remember who, blame it on my head, not my heart. They said that I should get extra large because of the length of my hair. I think they may have been right. This thing smells weird. I can't stand the smell. I'm gonna just be real with y'all from the gate. But I think this is the right size, so we're gonna use this. So the directions say, how do we use this? It says wash my hair, towel dry it to prevent it from dripping, put on my deep conditioner or my treatment, whatever I'm doing. And then place the hot head on a clean glass or ceramic plate in a 1000 watt microwave. Mine is kind of high powered, so I'm gonna have to adjust that. It says heat for a total of 30 to 45 second intervals, removing the hot head to flip inside out and replacing the microwave at each interval. If additional heat is desired, proceed in 10 to 20 second increments following the above flipping method until desired heat level is achieved. Do not exceed a combined total of 3 minutes from start to finish. Okay, place heated hot head on head over plastic shower cap. For best results, for 20 to 45 minutes. Reheat for longer treatments when desired. Then I remove the hot head completely at the conclusion of the treatment. Allow hair to cool for 5 minutes, then rinse with cold water to seal the hair cuticle. Yeah, I won't be sealing my hair cuticle because, no. But okay, do not immerse in water, spot clean, lint roll, blah, 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 blah. So this is, it has flaxseed inside. This thing is so heavy, and it says reversible. So the inside of mine is black, and that's pretty much all that is. So I am about to take down my twists. If you caught my last video, then you know that these have been in for roughly 4 weeks now. I just have my hair in a bunch of 2-strand twists. So I'm gonna take these down. There they are. Ooh, my hair got stuck. Oh, goodness. It's a lot of work. Eesh. Okay. All right. So whatever, y'all know. My hair is in 2-strand twists, a bunch of 2-strand twists. I'm about to shampoo, condition. I think I'm going with Texture ID this time because the other shipment from Sally's, if you caught my last video, then you know that I was waiting on a shipment. They shipped my stuff back because they didn't want to give me my gloves, and I didn't get the new shipment yet. So still waiting for my new shampoo. About to use what I have, and we'll be back. My hair has grown. It's easier for me to tell when it's in a shrunken state. It's, you know, it's definitely shrunken up, but that's why I can tell when I was washing it, it feels really heavy. But then I got out and I'm looking like, yeah, you know, my strands are still super thin, but that's genetics. But hair-wise, my hair is getting thicker and it's definitely longer. Okay, so they said put it in the microwave. Put it facing up, and here we go. This thing is fully roasted. So now I'm gonna put it on. I will say this thing definitely lives up to its name. It is definitely hot. I think I like this. So we'll be back when I take it off and see if it did anything different. And we are back. Okay, so I'm gonna take this thing off. I'm almost nervous. I'm hoping my hair is not stringy. But I left this on for about an hour, and my hair is still warm. I know I said let it sit for 5 minutes. I did, and then I put it back on. So let's see. What are we working with? Is there any bit of a difference? Okay, I'm gonna just take out one. Did I lose any of my definition? I did not lose my definition, as a matter of fact. I think I might have, let's see, it might be, I don't like stringy hair, and that's what happens when the heat gets a hold to me. So let's hope if I leave my deep conditioner on for too long, my hair will become stringy. So we're just gonna hope I didn't do that. Okay, well, I mean, it feels good. And the crazy part is I haven't even detangled my hair yet. So I'm gonna say I like this little hot head. Yeah, my hair is super soft. All the moisture, my hair is like all the moisture. So yeah, we'll say this hot head is a go. I like it. Now I have to get in the shower and rinse all of this deep conditioner out of my hair. Yeah, it did good. It didn't eat, well, it elongated my curl pattern just a little, but it's okay because I've had worse without any heat. I've had worse by just putting deep conditioner in my hair and leaving it in there for an hour or two too long. So yeah, I can rock with this. So this is my first wash day after using hair grease for the past, 4 weeks? So, and I can say my hair is definitely thicker. Right now it's just tangled, but yeah, that's my own fault. My hair is definitely thicker to the point where I need to take smaller sections, but it's just tangled right now. So once I untangle it, ooh, and we'll be all right. I knew my hair was thicker because when I was in the shower, my head was heavier, way heavier. I will just say I am happy with the hot head. I will be using it again. So yep, positive review. And that's about it. Now I need to go comb through this stuff and detangle because yeah, we're a little tangled. All right, y'all, I'm out of here. See ya.